guys, Obel from Animal Racing Customs, and we on part 3 of the Mk1 Escort Rebuild. The Escort has been put higher on trestles so we can get to the nitty gritty small stuff underneath, get that sorted out, fixed up. As you guys will see in part 2, we have primed most of the sides. The fenders and everything look a lot better already. Shapes are getting there slowly but surely. The doors also has been primed, and yeah, today we're gonna quickly tackle the firewall, get that sorted out, get that stuff prepped. As you can hear, everything's being planned as the days go on, but yeah, stay tuned. This is gonna be another hectic long day to get this thing prepped properly. Yeah, one of the things are preparation. That's all it's about.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. Mistakes, don't mean to come off haughty. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine to see a picture of you. You would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am